What's going on, everybody? I am back in Colorado. If you guys did not see the tournament video, go watch the last one. Did not go quite as planned, but won't talk about it now. I kind of forgot what it feels like to catch a fish after that tournament, so I'm back out at my pond. We're gonna go do some fishing today. Got the kayak out. Let's go catch us some green guys. Well, we're out here, guys. And yes, I'm still wearing my pajamas. And yes, I'm wearing socks with sandals. It's Colorado special, you know. You got 38-degree mornings. It's not warm enough for sandals, but in like 2 hours it will be. So you just gotta wear the mixture. You got the socks and the sandals, okay? That's how we do it down here in Colorado. I just woke up like an hour ago. It's laundry day. All my stuff's still packed and about ready to get tossed to the wash. So the real reason I'm out here today, guys, is like I said before, I kind of forgot how to fish, I felt like, at the tournament. So I'm out here to get some redemption today, catch some biggins, and just overall just have some fun. Stay out of the wind. It's a little windy, but I can handle a little wind, okay guys? Not 40-mile-per-hour winds all day. Not fun. My gosh, guys, I had my camera turned off. I took a cast and was reeling it in. I was pulling it out of the water and he came up and hit it. Oh my goodness, it's not a huge fish, but that was insane. Look how much line I have out, guys. I have not reeled at all. That's how far he hit it out. I'm gonna let some out. I seriously had like a foot of line left to reel in and he hit it. Oh, yes! Oh, now I remember. Now I remember what it feels like to catch a bass. Oh my gosh. I seriously wish I had my camera on. I was just talking to you guys, paused the camera, took a cast. Was not expecting to get slurped up on the first one. All right, well, that's a solid fish to start the morning. I'll take that. All right, let's let that beady go. It's probably about a 2.5 pounder. 8 right at the boat. Sick. Well, I'm really bummed I didn't get that on camera. Got a teeny little fish on. I had no idea. I cast out there, just let it sink, and he hit it on the fall. They might be on the chatterbait, guys. Fish number 2, just a little guy. Oh, no wonder he was jumping. I got hooked right in the eye. All right. Might be onto something. We got a little wind bomb bank, and I'm just gonna keep throwing this little chatterbait. See if we can connect with some more. That's definitely the smallest bass I've cut out of here this year so far. You don't catch a whole lot of small ones out of this place. Here we go. Got a big fish, huh? Feels like a decent fish. Oh yeah, it's a nice fish. That'd be a big bass. Yep, nice bass. Oh shoot. Oh, it's a big bass. It's a big bass. Oh my goodness. Whew. Well, that's a 5-pounder. Oh my. Whew. That's a nice one. Oh my gosh. I was actually fixing a bird's nest. I cast out and got a bird's nest, and I was fixing it. Oh, yep. That's a big old pre-spawn mama. Oh man. G Money Strong right there. Let's go ahead and enter that one into the tournament. Nice. So I'm not freaking out right now because there's like 2 or 3 people here, but this is a pretty big fish. All right, caught that on the 10-inch worm. This is for the G Money Strong tournament. 411. You guys see that? 411. Wow, what an amazing fish, guys. Big 4, 5, almost 5-pounder. Sick. Biggest of the year out of my little pond. It's quite the difference. That little fish tried to eat a 10-inch worm. Felt some grass down there and he pecked it as soon as it was in the grass. There we go. Another one. It's a little guy. I can't believe they're hitting that 10-inch worm. That's a nice one. There we go. These things are hitting it like every cast. Another nice one. Started off big, got small, and they're getting bigger now. That's like number 4. I've been here maybe about 30-45 minutes. They're eating that 10-inch worm up. There we go. I'll take it. Another one. not a happy bass. There we go. That's a healthy looking fish. Probably a male coming up to spawn. Man, I'm just wrecking them on that little ribbon tail right now. I didn't even feel that dude hit. My line was just taking off to the left. Oh, he's bleeding a little bit. Alright, fish number 5 or 6. Oh, it came right off the beaver dam. So I got a very early clue when I came down here. I cast it out, I was fixing a bird nest. And that about 5-pounder smoked it on the fall. So I've stuck with this guy since, and it seems to be doing work. There we go. Well, these little dudes are just on fire today. I just pitched out right in front. I didn't think I was rolling, so I went to turn my camera on and I actually turned it off. So, well, there's number 6 or 7. That is gonna finish it up for the day, guys. Went and hit 2 different ponds this morning. Caught a nice fish right off the bat at the first pond, right next to the kayak. That was probably like one of the sickest catches I've had in a long time. I'm sorry I wasn't recording. That was a bummer. But came down to the second pond, cast it out with the 10-inch worm, let it just sink down. I actually had a bird nest and I was picking it out. Got it out, reeled in, and I saw my line was like way out to the left, and I was like, what the heck? So I knew I had a big fish on, because they usually just take it and they just swim far distance with it. So I started reeling down, set the hook, and it was about a 5-pounder. That was the biggest fish of the year out of that small little pond. So I know there's big fish in that pond. There's only a couple of them though, and then the other ones are just like cookie cutter, like 1.5ers. So it's good to catch a big one. It's good to know that there's still some big ones in there. Spawn is like about to happen at that pond right now. I guarantee like water temps are 64, 65. They're probably going to be moving up later today. But awesome day. I'm going to end on that. I caught like, I don't know, 7 or 8 fish plus that big one. So that is cool with me, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching our episode. Please click the like and subscribe button. I will see you guys soon.